Hello everyone, you're welcome. So today my recipe is boiled vegetable salads, and these are part of my ingredients for this recipe. So here is my half fresh peppers, 3 carrots, and some green beans. So I'm just going to try and cut these green beans into 2 portions. But if you have the longer ones, please do cut them into 3. These are very tender beans because they are really good for this kind of salads, because once they are tender and also crunchy, you can be able to really eat them and enjoy it very well. So I'm just going to try and give this cutting in equal sizes. Why? Because I'm really going to put all of them into my steamer and steam them at once so they get tender and crunchy also. And while I am done cutting, my next ingredient is this broccoli. And this is half of a full head of a broccoli. Now to steam the vegetable, I have my steamer already on the heat. And as soon as you see that the flame is beginning to come, the heat is beginning to come, you add in your vegetables, give them a mix so that all of them are properly mixed together. And then we cover it for about 6 minutes for it to steam very well, get tender and also crunchy inside. So while our vegetables are steaming, the next thing I'm going to do is to pour this a handful of cashew nuts into that water and allow it to soak for 10 minutes. And here it is after 10 minutes. I'm going to add it into my blending blender, and I will be adding a teaspoon of salt and also a teaspoon of black pepper and some water to blend. So depending on your consistency, choose what quantity of water you would want to add in there. So another option for this cashew nut can be almond seed. So you can also use almond seed to make this salad dressing that is so good and also vegan free. So while that is done, here is our veggies. They have been steaming for about 6 minutes now, and here it is after 6 minutes. It is very well tender now. So since the vegetables has been steaming and now they are well cooked, it is time for me to add in the salt and also the black pepper. If you add salt before steaming it, it will draw moisture very well from the vegetable and it will leave it too soft and not crispy, and that is not what we are going in for. So after adding everything, I'm just going to give this a stir and our vegetable is ready. So since our vegetables are ready, it is time for us to plate it and serve. This is a very good option for salads, especially vegans. If you are looking to lose weight, this is a very good meal for you to have. You can have this every day without being scared, without minding of adding, without looking into your weight to see how much you have gained and all of that. It is a healthy meal. So I'm going to pour in my vegetable salad dressing, and here it is, guys. It is fully ready. And so the last tips I will be touching now is just a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Yes, this you can go for it, and this you can also ignore. It depends on you. But I usually love my salads with some drizzling of vegetables, extra virgin olive oil. And on top of it, I'm sprinkling also chia seed. You can go for chia seed or you can go for sesame seeds. It all depends on you, whichever one is your choice. So here it is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for always coming back to watch. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free. Support the channel and let's grow together. See you all on my next video. Bye.